Shreya, welcome back to the channel. You can guess by my outfit that it's too damn cold in Delhi. It's so difficult to come out of the blanket, but I'm still shooting this video. So you gotta hit that like button for my efforts here. Anyway, today we are going to make some trays. I think trays are one of the must-haves in home decor. It comes in really handy when you are styling your coffee table or your kitchen countertops. They kind of make the space look more organized. So for example, if you're styling your coffee table, you can put the tray in the center and you can create a little cluster of candles, a flower vase and some books. And for the kitchen countertops, you can use the tray to organize salt, pepper shakers and some serving spoons. Trays can also be used in the bathroom. You can keep your cleansers, moisturizers, etc. So the point that I'm trying to make over here is that everybody should have pretty looking trays at their home, and if you do not want to buy them, I have you covered. So I have made two trays for this video. One is a little traditional and the other one is not so traditional but really pretty, and I have not spent a single penny to make these trays. I have used the things which I already had available at home. So I'll just stop blabbering here and get started with the video. First, I'm going to make this Thela Gadi tray. I have seen it so many times in Indian restaurants, and people also use it at their home to serve or just to decorate for the aesthetic point of view. All you're going to need is one cardboard box. Koi mithai ka dabba bhi chalega. I have taken this perfume box, and then I have also taken this pretty looking shadi ka card. Fun fact, I save all the pretty looking cards. I literally have a box full of them. Then I've also used this lace that I had. This is optional. First step is to stick this lace all around the cardboard just to make it look more dressy. You can use any glue. I am using fabric glue here, which totally worked. Now that the box looks very dressy and pretty from the outside, I took this card and cut it in the same size as box. I have cut like 4 of them to cover all the 4 sides. Now the top of the Thela Gadi is ready. Now let's make the wheels for this. I have taken these 4 bangles and some toothpicks. It's pretty self-explanatory. I am just cutting the toothpick and then sticking it around the bangle just to make it look like a wheel. Now I'm just using my favorite glue, that is Fevicol Heatex, to stick the wheels. And to give it some extra support, I used the scissors. Let it dry for an hour or so and then move on to sticking the next wheel. For additional detailing, I used 2 bamboo sticks, spray painted it black. I then cut it in the right size. And I'm going to stick this in between the 2 wheels. Wait for it to dry and give it a little support. It looks so nice and so Indian. You can use it for serving, of course, or you can just keep it in the center of your dining table to hold some candles. It's pretty sturdy. This one is really a 3 steps DIY. I'm using this very old roti chakla that I had. You can use a plywood too. This one was in really bad condition. I did not throw it because I knew I'll be able to use it somewhere. I'm just removing its legs over here. फिर मैंने एक सैंड पेपर यूज़ किया है just to smoothen out the surface. Next I'm using this pastel chalk paint. I will leave the link for this down below. I did total of 3 coats here. Just to add to the character of this tray, I am using the masking tape. I used one masking tape as a spacer too. No need to use scale or mark the lines. This is literally the easiest way to do this. I painted the rest of it blue. I am sorry for the lighting here. I was shooting this during the night. That's why the color looks really different than how it looks in person. I removed these tapes after some time when the paint was dry. I know the edges are not clean, but I am not worried about that because those will anyway be covered and will not be seen. Next I am using this jute rope. I have used this rope in so many different places. It's really a good quality one. I bought it from Amazon and I will link it down below if I find it. I'm sticking this jute rope on the edges. I did total of 3 layers of rope. On the third layer, I just created a little loop that will also work as a handle, and that's all for this DIY. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I try to create videos like this every week. So please consider subscribing and I'll see you next week. Bye.